Welcome to Flip It Furniture. In today's video, we're going to be making over this previously painted side table. It was painted in latex paint, so we are going to remove the latex and use chalk paint instead. This is a really cute table. It's a little outdated, so my goal for this is to make it modern farmhouse so that it can have a life again and fit in anyone's home. Let's flip it. I start by removing the latex paint from the table, and I use my citrus strip to do this. I did a video a couple of weeks ago, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link right here. Now I'm sanding the tabletops. I switch over from my orbital to my mouse sander just so I can get all the corners and get as close as I can to the edges. When I finish sanding, I do wish I would have taken the extra step and just sprayed some shellac all over the table. I think that would have saved it if there was any bleed throughs in the future. Now I'm going to do a whitewash on the tabletops, the bottom part and the top part. And I do have another video on this I've already done, so if you want to see how to whitewash, I'll leave that link too right up above. For this whitewash, I'm using Dixie Belle's cotton, and you can use any white that you have, really. I keep my whitewash consistency pretty runny because if I want to add more, I can always do that. And with this application, I don't want streaks. I just want it to be one flat color. I just want to lighten up the wood, but I don't want to leave any special effects. You know, no dry brushing, no streaks. So I just keep rubbing with my rag to make sure that I have an even application. Now I just want to show you how it looks. It's kind of scary. It doesn't look bright. Not yet, but it will. Now that I know it's all dry, I'm going to blue tape around the edges because I want there to be nice crisp lines. I love this because I want to actually show you the power of the blue tape. Look at all that yuckiness. We're going to use the blue tape, just move it over a little bit, and we're going to cover all that up with some beautiful paint. I searched high and low for the perfect farmhouse green, and for me it was Dried Thyme by Wise Owl. I looked at everyone's and I really like this color, so that's what I'm using today. I have to say, I love how the Wise Owl went on. It's thicker than what I usually use, almost buttery, but the best part of this was I only needed one application. There was absolutely no reason for me to put on another coat. It covered really, really well. I've used their varnish before, and I have their salve. I use the salve when it's like hard to reach places that need to be sealed, or even the insides of drawers. But this paint, I was really impressed. I love it. I don't know how it would do blending because I haven't blended with it, but I'll definitely be ordering this a lot more. And here, I just wanted to show you what it looked like when I used my blue tape. I just put the paint in the corners and it just covered all that yuckiness. And here I add my whitewash to the top. I sort of buff this out with my rag just to make sure that my application is even and there's no streaks. Sometimes on tabletops we love that streaky effect, but for this I just want it to be an even wash so that it looks like it's natural. This is my favorite part, removing the blue tape and getting to see the nice crisp lines and just how beautiful it ends up. Now I seal the table using Varathane's water-based polyurethane in satin, and I do 2 coats of this. And here it is, all finished. I love this makeover. I just love how it turned out. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next week.